Sharika and Imani had made a start in their lounge, but it was a plain box room, devoid of any personality.
This is the fun part.
I'm scared.
Are you?
Because like everything is important, but obviously colour is like the finishing look.
I know you really want that timeless classic look and you don't want anything too bold. I think that's really nice. It means you can have it all very neutral, or you can add in exciting accessories if you want to switch it up a little bit. Which one do you prefer out of these two?
So hard. I probably like that one more.
This one?
Yeah.
Then I'm going to cross this out.
Ah! Okay.
And you've got your colour.
Yes! Now it's a luxurious and refined space, complete with traditional period detailing on the ceiling, around the doors and the walls.